Hello everyone, welcome back to Traffic Turbo channel. Today we're gonna speak about Flying Upload free research tool. Nowadays it's for free, it's a beta version, and after that maybe it's gonna be with monthly subscription. So let's get started. On Flying Upload, actually you can go to flightupload.com and go here and hit free research, or maybe later it's gonna be with some fees. So first of all, on it looks like that, and on the left section you have a lot of options. And in my opinion, I find that Flying Upload one of the best niche and trend research tools on the internet. Really, believe me. What you can find here, you cannot find anywhere. I tried everything. Actually, Flying Upload is amazing. I'm not sponsored. I don't have anything about Flying Upload. I just use this beta version and I really amazed. And I know that I will subscribe for any fees they will ask for me because it's really cool, and I'm gonna show you in this video right now. So let's get started. So on any print-on-demand sites, merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Spreadshirt, anywhere, you can find here a lot of ideas, a lot of trends, a lot of niches, and also, moreover, you can find also for KDB, for Kindle Direct Direction. If you are going for KDB and like designing for books, low content and no content books, you can also find here a lot of stuff, guys. So first of all, on the research section on the left side, you can just write, like St. Patrick Day after 1 month, and I write St. Patrick. So just find a lot of like designs and try the tool. So first of all, we have bestseller. You can here find a list view or grid view, and here you can choose between the markets like United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France. You can choose. I always like to choose like United States. Product, you can choose the t-shirt, hoodies, pop sockets, phone case, and also KDP, which is amazing, all in one tool only. And also we have here sorting. You can sort by PSR, review, price, newest, random. I use normally PSR and newest. For the trending, when I want to search about trends, I use the newest. And for PSR also, the lower the bears are, the better the t-shirt selling. And here also you have some advanced option. If you go here and press, you can also exclude some words if you don't want some words to be in the design. And you can also choose the PCR. You can choose between 1 and 5 million, and also you can filter of the price range and the rating. So it's really cool. You can filter with whatever you want. So let's get started. I wrote like St. Patrick, and let's see. Here we can find a lot of other nice designs, and yeah, it's all of course on merch by Amazon, since they have the BSR. And also what they show you as well, something like that. You see the current PSR, which is 63,000, and estimated sales over the last 30 days with 58. That's pretty amazing. And the current price is 14.99. So, and also they have 2 reviews. So if you want to know everything about that, you just go here and you can find that you can add this to your favorite if you want to go back later to this design. And also you can download. That's crazy. And also you can go to Amazon to see this design on the Amazon page, or also you can go for more info and find more information about this design. So let's go first on more info and see more information about that. So also on Flying Research Tools, you can see the published date, which is really crazy, 13th of January 2021, which is almost like about 1 month ago, and it's having like 58 sales till now, and that's crazy. That's really good. You can also see the bullet points, the description, and you can see also the BSR. As we can see, it's still, you can see it's going crazy below 100,000, and yeah, well, oh my god, that's amazing. And also you can see the keywords that you used already. You can see similar designs, similar brands. Oh my god, this tool is really amazing. I like it. I really like it. And also if you go here and press Amazon, open in Amazon, you can just open it on Amazon right here, and you can find everything. You can see the reviews, you can see the colors they use, the size, and also the description, everything, whatever you want. Okay, so let's go back and yeah, let's discover the other one, which is seller trends. So it's something new in the search tool. So let's see. So in the seller trends, yeah, we can see, yeah, here we can see also there is a marketplace. You can choose whatever you want. And also here on the right section, there is something really let me first make for the United States and product t-shirts. And I want like a general term. I don't want to go for a specific niche. I want to see something general, because here in the trends section you can see trending winner and trend loser, trend winner PSR and trend winner percentage, and there's like something like winning PSR, which is for example like lowering the PSR, and also trending winner, which is trend right now. Okay, maybe it's trendy, but it's not good PSR. So you have to, yeah, it's not the same. And also you can filter with the PSR, newest, and random. I like always to go for trend winner because, or you know, trend winner PSR or trend winner percentage. Yeah, and here you can see it's winning like 99%, and you can see also the PSR. So here everything, for example, a winner design improving its PSR from 1,800,000 something to 17,000 from the last month. So it's doing crazy. This t-shirt design is doing crazy. Okay, and of course you have to hit search, so it's gonna be for only United States. And yeah, you can also use the advanced option to make like before, you know, you can use a list view or grid view. As we can see here, a lot of beautiful design, the winner, and how it's winning from 238,000 to 8,000 in the last month. So we can just like not copy exactly, you can find some inspiration and do that for our designs, guys. Not only in Merch by Amazon, that works also on Redbubble, Zazzle, Spreadshirt, any print on demand. Okay, let's go for the next one, which is the subcategory ranks. I want to show you guys something in subcategories that's really cool, because if you go here in subcategory, we can see there is also like categories for boys, if you want something for girls only, for kids, for men, you know, women, wall art, everything. So here we can just search about the category, and also we have the marketplace, the product, even the KDB, it's right here. And also we can sort by newest, seller, rank, reviews, everything. So you can have a lot of filters, and you can see the designs right here, if you have some reviews or not. And also we can see like it's trendy or not, as we can see here. So guys, it's really amazing. You can add on the favorites on the Amazon. You can see also the more information about that, which is really cool. So let's go to the third one on the left side, Get Inspired MPA, Merch by Amazon. And also there is Get Inspired POD with the other print on demand websites. So let's go. Get Inspired MPA, we can here find like t-shirts, all the other KDB, also newest, and you can here press on new ideas. So you can get always new ideas with, for example, PSR or new trends, which are like here. I go for PSR trends, which the best t-shirt with going a lower PSR and also trendy at the same time, and that's really good, and new ideas. So here we go, guys. You can see the rating, estimating over 30 days, 1,000. Wow, PSR 1,415. That's really crazy, guys. I like this website so much. I'm thinking I'm putting love right now. So let's go for the next one. Flying research tool, inspired print on demand. So here we can choose a platform. Now they are supporting Redbubble, Spreadshirt.com, Spreadshirt, Germany, France, Spain, and Italy, and maybe later they will support TeePublic and other print on demand websites. But there's a good indication if this work on Redbubble and other websites, that may be also working on the other websites as well. So as we can see here, we can also sort by relevance or newest and random. I like for relevance, for example, and we can see here just on redbubble.com, and yeah, you can see, we can download, we can copy, and we can see it also on Redbubble. As you can see, best cat that ever, nice designs. And here we go, you can see something for Redbubble because we choose Redbubble. If you use, you can also go for Spreadshirt or something like that. Let's go for they have also section for brands. If you are designing for brand, maybe you have like some like on Redbubble, sometimes you can design for brands if you have, like, if you contact them. But I'm not doing like that, so I will not discuss this today. So we go for the category section. And niche analysis. So here you can also find niche analysis. You can make like, you can go for the marketplace like .com United States and see all the product and search for some term, or you can only press niche ideas. I just press that, and then you can find this here: funny, cute, love, vintage, cool, retro, red, black, animal. So it's like the keywords which is already trending right now, and you can find some ideas. Okay, so let's go for the next one, which is niche lists. So here we can find a list of hundreds of niches, guys, like in the family, Mother's Day, Father's Day, daughter, Mother Day, son, sister, sports, like the most popular sports, work, pets, special days like Valentine, St. Patrick's Day is almost coming, Easter is coming also. You have to start to design on Easter right now. So hobbies, you can find a lot of stuff here. And yeah, and also you can see the calendar for February, like, and also the calendar, and also you can see in the United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Spain here. So you can choose and filter whatever you want. And yeah, and if you go like this, you can find for March, today, April, May. Yeah, you can see whatever you want. So it's a pretty awesome tool. And also they have the section of events, which is really also nice. Like they show you the day, the upcoming trend day, or the upcoming trend, maybe like Valentine, Easter, or something like that, and also the designs which is related. So you can take like ideas, and also you can here press see all or go and scroll to the right to find another designs. Here, Presidential Day on 15th of February, first day of Women History Month, 1st of March, and yeah, St. Patrick's Day, 17th of March, as we can see, Memory Day, and yeah, you can just go scroll down, it's infinite number. You don't have any restrictions like other websites. Okay. For the last thing, also you can search about the categories, and that's also right the most, because sometimes I used to go for pets. So if you go for pets, and also you can choose the marketplace, and after that, after choosing the marketplace and the product, you can just go and go for birds only, like pets, birds, tennis, Mother's Day, and you can get a lot of inspiration. You can make like cross stitching between two designs. And yeah, this was like a very quick. And also in the live section, if you see here, you can also go for the trademark search and check for the trademark. So it's all in one research tool. I think in my idea it's very great for all the people that are interested in print on demand, and also KDB as well, because you have always research for KDB right here. So what I wanted to say that yeah, try this research tool, guys. It's really helpful. It helped me a lot to find a lot of niche which I will never ever discover in my life, as we can see the KDB right here. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you want me to make a lot of videos like that, please subscribe, smash the like button, and yeah, I'm just started the YouTube channel, and I hope you like my content, and I'm trying always every day to improve myself, to yeah, keep me motivated. I hope you like that, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.